Happy Friday. Cannot believe this is my last founder message for July 2026. Let's talk a little bit about the markets. About 51,912, just under 52, bouncing back. The Dow's bouncing back a little bit today. Big sell-off yesterday, down over 500 points. The VIX index, which measures volatility, is up around 19. That's an increase from last week. The 10-year Treasury was up over 4.7 yesterday. It's settling down about 4.69, but that's up a little bit higher. What's going on? Well, the war in the Middle East with Iran has escalated. For those of you who weren't aware of that, oil shot to about $100 a barrel yesterday. It's coming back down a little bit. What does this mean? Well, first of all, it's going to be really hard for inflation to come down when these energy prices are as high as they are. If oil continues to stay around $100 a barrel, and they're saying it could go even higher, the fighting escalates between the U.S. and Iran. It's hard to believe that in February, late February, a barrel of oil was trading at $72, and now we're up around $100, and it could go higher. That, along with a new round of tariffs that just passed for importing countries coming in, it's going to impact a lot of companies, a lot of products, could also raise inflation, which is going to be not good for people that were hoping for an interest rate reduction this year. It's now the odds are 30-40% that we're going to see a rate increase before the end of the year. We went into the beginning of 2026 hoping to get at least 2 interest rate reductions. And now because of inflation with the high energy prices staying up, with the new round of tariffs that just passed, we're probably going to have high inflation, and it's going to be really tough to not have a rate hike increase sometime towards the end of the year. So that's a little bit frustrating. Some of this stuff that's going on right now is really cooking inflation and making it stay up there. It's making it sticky. It's making it tough to bring it down. We got a lot of good things going on in the U.S. in terms of manufacturing. Unemployment is low, and we would really love to see a rate decrease, but I don't think that's going to happen this year. I think the best we could hope for at this point is if we don't have any increases, but I think it's more likely we're going to get at least one before the end of the year. Without further ado, let me go into the birthdays here. It's Friday afternoon, and want you guys to get started on your weekend. Here we go with the birthdays. Happy birthday, Dorothy K, Dwayne C, Bonnie T, Fiorella, Patrick Ology, Chris R, Stephen S, Walter B, Alexandra, Claudia G, Kenneth R, Lashima M, Amanda W, Aubrey A, Brett S, Cynthia H, Janet R, Marie F, Robert S. We got a lot of birthdays this week. And today we've got a ton. Buddy S, David P, Frank M, Gwendolyn M, Jance H, Jean B, Richard S, Tony O, and Ton, and all today. And tomorrow we've got a handful more. Arlene E, Donald B, Kent R, Pam W, and Vanessa. Happy birthday to all of you. And Fiorella, I apologize on butchering your name a couple of times on your birthday. I hope you guys all have an amazing birthday and a birthday week. Have an amazing weekend, guys. I know we've been getting some rain. We need it. Hopefully we'll get a little bit of sunshine for the weekend. God bless and take care. Bye-bye.